Hey guys, in this quick video I'm going to share with you the alternatives to the 3DMark. First thing first is the Unigine benchmarks. This is like Heaven Valley superposition, and these ones is something that you can actually like check out. And here it's like extreme performance stability test for PC hardware. I know it's like 2009, it's kind of like the older one, so that's something that you kind of like have to be aware of, but it's also suitable for Windows 11. And this is the one that you can actually like check out for yourself, and you have like one free download here that you can actually see here. It's one free download that you can actually use, so check this one out. Maybe it's going to be like kind of like beneficial for you. Also, this is like the GPU focused, less comprehensive than 3DMark, no online leaderboard in free version, and that's something to be aware of. All right, now the next one is very popular one, the 4Mark. So it's 100% free, extremely intensive GPU stress test, lightweight for download, great for testing GPU stability after overclocking. Also cons, stress test only, so this is like not a comprehensive benchmark, so can potentially damage GPUs if used excessively, and it's like very basic visuals. So 4Mark is also good, but that's something to be kind of like be aware of. Okay, then you can have also the Cinebench. This is like another one. So this is like CPU focused, so the GPU testing is secondary, no gaming specific test, no stress test loop in free version, and results are less relevant for the gaming performance. And these are the primarily free ones that I want to share with you. I hope it provides a little bit of value, and have a great day and goodbye.